a while, but we've been wildin'. We've been on top for a while.
I'm Brian. Hello, nice to meet you. So right in this way. Are you looking for more? There you go. 50, 40, 10.
And what about insects? No insects?
No, not needed. And we have all the stuff. I'll show you out there what it is, so they don't like fly all over the place.
Yeah. Birdie. There you go. Good job.
Daddy, I love telephone.
One second, I'll be right back. She might just try and fly up there. See all the spots on their tails?
Mm-hmm.
That's more. You might fly. I don't know.
Pet him. I'm not gonna bite you, and then don't hurt.
I could do this one for $50. It's very light. Okay, so while I'm loading up these cockatiels for you guys, if you could read. You're gonna have kind of like a whole.
We had some slime.
All right, you guys ready?
Slime. It looks like.